Okay, now next we get to do something really fun too. Now we've talked about nouns a lot and we keep talking about them every day because they're really important. And so next we get to use nouns to complete the sentences to match the picture. So it says complete the sentence with a noun. Remember, a noun is a person, place, or a thing. Now let's look at our first sentence. The palm tree has a what? Let's look at our palm tree. What's that? A coconut. So should I choose hat or coconut? I should choose coconut. So I would take my word right here, my noun, and put it here. Now, is hat a noun? It is, because it's a thing, but it's not the noun that completes our sentence. Let's look at our next sentence. The person has on a taco or a hat? What does our person have on? He has on a hat. Now, is taco a noun? It is, just like hat's a noun, but he's not wearing a taco. That would be super duper silly. So we would need to choose hat to complete our sentence right here as well. I can't wait to see all the sentences you complete with your nouns.